Beautiful. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Anyway, just come from the supermarket about a couple of hours ago and I brought a new one, digested. Alright? Now, this one is very good for you to drink when you're going to your bed at night. Alright, you can give it a try, you can give it a go. You can see the brand one I'm using. Try the supermarket or your local supermarket or your local shop to see if they have this one and get it and drink it. 20 pack in it. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to be starting one tonight and I'm going to be drinking it. I drank one last night, to be honest. I did have the last one and I drank it last night. Very tastable, but I don't put no sugar, no honey in mine. I just drink it really natural and organic way. Alright, so basically it will give you all of the information, all the ingredients, layout on it. So when you go to the supermarket, you can buy it, you can look on the different kind of ingredients and the different kind of herbs inside of it. And the only reason why I'll introduce it to you because of the different kind of ingredients and things which is inside of this, which is really good for your body. All right, so you can just simply try this one and see the benefit which you will get from it. All right, now I'm going to make 1 cup of tea. All right, and this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna be drinking this before I go to my bed tonight. And what you can do the same thing in the morning with a detox tea. All right, so this is for you to go to your bed at night. So if you want, you can do a lime tea in the morning for detoxing. So you just want to leave this into it for a couple of minutes. Some people put honey in it, but me personally, I'm not going to be using any honey in mine. I'm just going to be drinking mine natural. No sugar, no sweetener. And if you don't want to use honey, you can use sweetener, but I only encourage you to use it because it doesn't good for you. So you're still putting sweetness into your blood. All right, now as I can see, I'm just getting it mixing. All right, I'm not gonna taste it. Delicious. So you guys can do the same thing. Go to the supermarket, your local shop, and just get this pack of the digestive tea. Very good for you. You know what I mean? Drink it and see the benefit. If you don't want, you can drink some lime tea or ginger tea or lemon tea. All right. And that's it. And I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipes and more ideas. And as I say, you can do your own research about this beautiful digestive tea. All right. See you next time.